He was so good at what he would do that he would basically dictate a law review article. He would then take that dictation and mark where he thought it needed footnotes to document what he had said, and hand it to an assistant and say, you take it and write the footnotes. He didn't do it the other way around. He knew the material well enough that he was convinced he was right with what he was saying, but he wanted us to go find the correct support. Anyway, we had finished one of those discussions one afternoon, and he said, how's your job search going? And I said, well, this was February of my last year in law school. He said, how's your job search going? And I said, well, it's frustrating. I've talked to several North Carolina firms. This is February of 1961. And I'm just not, somehow I'm not finding a way to do what I want to do. And what I wanted to do was exactly what he had been teaching. I really wanted to focus on commercial law broadly and on some of the issues of corporate law and related financial issues that he had been teaching. And he said, well, you ought to go to Atlanta. And I said, I don't know anybody in Atlanta. He said, I do. And the next day, he showed me 3 appointments that he had made for me in Atlanta by calling law firms there. One of those appointments was the firm that is now Alston & Bird, where I went as the 13th lawyer in June of 1961. And he literally is the reason I was there.